Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to talk about Bajaj Auto, which is a large cap company with a market capital of 925.96 billion. This Bajaj Auto stock is almost rallying to around a 52-week low, which has given a downfall of 61 point today, and it has given a closing of 3201. So there are so many reasons why Bajaj Auto is falling continuously. So let's go through all those reasons. So first thing is, like, in Diwali there was already semiconductor chip issue. There was a shortage, and because of that shortage many the companies couldn't sell their vehicles, and because of that their margin value, the quarter result has been badly impacted. Along with that, there are a few bad news for Bajaj Auto, and there was news on 20th of December saying Wipro replaces Bajaj Auto in the Sensex. So Sensex have around 30 stocks in it, and they review it, and if the company is not performing, they just replace it with something else. So here Bajaj Auto has been replaced by Wipro. So that was a bad news for Bajaj Auto, and that was one of the reason it was falling continuously. Along with that, there was a Supreme Court last week dismissed a plea by Bajaj Auto against AAP government decision to issue 4,261 new permits only to e-autos. So looking at the Delhi pollution, the government has denied their plea for the new permits to e-autos. So that is again a bad news for them. But still these things are going on. If in case there are some changes, we might hear a good news saying they might have granted something. So we will go through that later. After that, few analysts also given their view. On 16th of December, there was a news saying buy on dips, certainly not these two auto stocks. So which auto stock they were talking about? It is Bajaj Auto and Hero Motorcar. But what is the reason why they are saying not these Bajaj Auto? The reason is, like, all the industries focus is in electronic vehicle and self-starting car, etc. Looking at the diesel price and petrol price going high and the pollution thing, everyone is focusing on electronic vehicle, but there was no announcement, no management decision, or nothing has been announced by Bajaj Auto company, and that was a concern that analysts were showing over here. And the continuous fall in the Bajaj Auto stock was showing that there is no strength, and that was the reason they said, like, stay away from these stocks. Okay, but the reason, whatever the reason was, now it has come up with a good news. On 29th of December, they have announced saying Bajaj Auto to set up rupees 3,000 crore electronic vehicle manufacturing facility, and the share gains over 3%. So this is the only this was one of the reason Bajaj Auto was continuously falling, and finally we got a good news. So in Pune, Akordi, they have their manufacturing plant where they have the capacity to produce around 5 lakh electric vehicle per annum, and this can be catered to both domestic and the export market as well. So once the news has come, we have seen the 100 points up rally, and today we have seen the profit booking also over here. So Bajaj Auto is again down by 60 points here. Director of Bajaj Auto, Raju Bajaj, he has mentioned, like, this alignment reflects our belief that light electric vehicle for sustainable urban mobility is an idea whose time may finally have come. Along with that, they are going to Bajaj Auto will be supplemented by number of vendors who will invest further 250 crore, the company said, and the new unit will be having robotics and automatic manufacturing system for logistic and material handling, fabrication and painting, and etc. things. So they do have a robotics for the automatic manufacturing system where all these things will be done automatically. So this is also a good thing for Bajaj Auto. Now, when we are looking at the recommendation, so there is a recommendation by Axis Security where they have mentioned, like, the target price of around 4,500. So given a year 1 year span, they said like the price can reach a definite target, so this is also a good thing. Now if you look at the ticker tape, where the forecast they have mentioned is like around 70% analysts have suggested that investor can buy this stock. Why not? Anyway, it's near support zone and it's near 52-week low. So instead of going for the stocks which are going higher and higher and anytime they can fall down, there is a in Bajaj Auto it is trending near support level, so it's a good opportunity to invest in the auto sector. And now the thing is like we have got the electronic vehicle announcement over here, so it's a good thing for Bajaj Auto. Now here the forecast for December 2022, they have given the high for 1 year is that is 5180, the median is 4088 and the low is 2793. So if you are having a long term target investment, then you can definitely look at this return, which is almost like 61% return, or medium term 27.73% of return. Now let's have a look at the Nifty Auto. So if you look at the Nifty Auto, here we see is like the index was ranging between this level. It has given a breakout from here, it went till around 12,000 and again it started coming down. Now the resistance trend line which we have drawn over here, we can see a little bit of breakout at near this, but there is a still hurdle of 11,108. So until and unless this hurdle is crossed, we cannot see a uptrend. So if you have not invested in any auto sector, either you can wait for this hurdle to cross, or you can make a sip, like just buying in pyramiding level. So you can buy some quantity of any auto stock over here, and when it is start crossing this, you can add few more quantities over here, or there is a support. So if in case some things come over here, you can just average it out. Okay, now looking at the Bajaj Autos, so here we have drawn a Fibonacci arc, where if you look at this, so the stock had rallied from here till around 4,000 and 300 to 400 range, and after that it started falling. So here if you see, this is around 50% of retracement, so it has retraced to around 50%, and that we are considering this as a support, that is 3020. So after touching 50%, it has bounced back, and here there was a news also. So if it goes down again, we still have a support of 3020, and after that the immediate target would be seen as a 3365, and if it's sustained over here, we can see the second target, that is 3557. Okay, so it's a good opportunity to do sip in Bajaj Auto, and if you have taken it at a higher level, you can keep the Bajaj Auto for long-term investment. And yeah, I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.